showed my friend your work. Like, this is, you know, can you do something? And she's like, yeah, I got you. Yeah, they got it for me. This is just an introduction before we blow your mind. And even some of them came out, like they were so like thin, like she didn't crochet right, so they're in that bag. So
bring your way back into the life. And yeah, crochet will still need maintenance down the line, but it should not be, you know, it shouldn't be slipping out or anything. Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I am back finally. I know we've been slow on the uploads, but baby, we've been working. And today I'm bringing you guys a lock transformation. This whole process included my bomb sensational lock detox. It was much needed, so I'll be putting together a separate video for those of us who like to see a good, thorough detox, you know, like I did. This transformation also included a few seamless lock combinations, as well as a whole lot of repair and a reattachment. Here we are after the detox. Her locks were so much lighter and the hair was less compressed. That's why a detox is so important before starting this process. Any leftover product, dirt, sweat, all of those things, they act like glue and they keep your hair together. That's not what you want. You want your locks to form from tangles, but I'll talk about that in another video. Here you can see where her friend wrapped weave around her weak spots. First off, that doesn't work. Second, it's the wrong color. And most importantly, it doesn't blend with that of a mature, real lock. Adding hair to strengthen weak spots is not a bad thing, but you have to apply logic. You really know what you need to know what you're doing. But I digress. That'll be for another video. The goal here was to keep the fullness and the volume while attempting to create more uniformity in lock size. And we did just that. Enjoy this transformation, guys. If you are interested in any of our services and are looking for specific pricing for your individual needs, please visit our website, sensationallocs.com. From there, you can go to the Book a Consultation tab, and you can select the consultation that is appropriate for you. And once we have that consultation, we'll be able to provide you pricing. If you have any questions about our current location, please feel free to email our team. That email address is sensationalbooking@gmail.com, and my team does respond within 24 to 72 hours. We'll be starting to travel again in October. And remember, we are a two-person team. So if you're wanting to book us to travel, keep that in mind, that it will go into the travel cost of 2 people. Otherwise, you guys are welcome to travel to us. It's probably more cost effective.
Yes, girl, I'm in love. Like, brilliant transformation.
Yeah.
Like,
It went from
well, you hair was damn near about to fall.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Yes, girl, I'm in love. Like, brilliant transformation.
Yeah.
Like,
It went from
my hair was damn near about to fall out.